The Mediterranean diet food pyramid is a visual representation of the traditional Mediterranean diet, which is a way of eating based on the traditional foods and cooking styles of the countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, such as Greece, Italy, and Spain. The Mediterranean diet has been associated with a variety of health benefits, including lower rates of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. The Mediterranean diet food pyramid is shaped like a traditional food pyramid, but the foods are organized in a slightly different way. At the base of the pyramid, you'll find foods that should be eaten most often. Next, the base of the pyramid in the foods you should eat often. Vegetables. This includes all types of vegetables, including leafy greens, root vegetables, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. Fruits. Fresh or dried fruits are recommended, as they are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Whole grains. These are an important source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and include whole wheat, barley, oats, quinoa, and brown rice. Legumes. These are a good source of protein, fiber, and other important nutrients. Examples include beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas. Nuts and seeds. These are a good source of healthy fats, protein, and other important nutrients. Examples include almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Olive oil. This is the primary source of fat in the Mediterranean diet, and is used for cooking and as a salad dressing. The next level of the pyramid includes foods that should be eaten quite often, including fish and seafood. These are an important source of protein and healthy fats, and should be eaten at least twice a week. The next level covers good sources of protein and other healthy nutrients. Poultry, eggs, cheese, and yogurt. These are good sources of protein and other important nutrients, but should be eaten in moderation. Finally, at the top of the pyramid, you'll find foods that should be eaten only occasionally, including red meat. This should be eaten in small amounts, and less frequently than other types of protein. Sweets and desserts. These should be eaten only occasionally, and in small amounts. You should drink water with your food and also wine in moderation if you wish. Overall, the Mediterranean diet food pyramid emphasizes a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods, and encourages the consumption of healthy fats, like those found in nuts, seeds, and olive oil, while limiting the intake of unhealthy fats, like those found in red meat and processed foods. Thanks for watching. You will find a lot of Mediterranean diet recipes on this YouTube channel.